Hello everybody, I hope you're seeing me today. And today is a monumental event. Today is going to be the first day of the Long Island Railroad's Cannonball Express. And I'm going to go film it now. I'm going to go film it, and it's going to be epic today. Continue on when we get to Long Island. Alrighty, we are now in Bayshore. We're here at Bayshore Station. I got off my train just not long ago. It had 423 on the point with a deafeningly loud K5LA. And now, this is where the fun begins. This is where we wait for the Cannonball and we wait for everything else that's coming by. That are not familiar with why I'm here at Bayshore. I'm here today. I probably already mentioned this during the intro, but I'm here today to film the Long Island Railroad's Cannonball. I chose this station in particular because this station has a heap of crossings, and you know, this is guaranteed to be a lot of horn action here. You know, and I spotted the Cannonball's equipment coming into Jamaica, or in Jamaica, I should say. It had 512 leading on the point today, I think, and now it's just wait till 5 o'clock and we'll see what today entails for us. Anyway, I'll pop in with any little bits of commentary here and there if I can. Let me check my phone. It is 4:28. In a few minutes, the next train that's going to arrive here is train number 78 to Patchogue. And that train will have 400 leading on the point. Not really much happening out here. It is that sort of period before the main brunt of the rush hour comes. So I'd say after roughly 5 or so, we'll see. It's going to be a lot more Montauk trains, but I unfortunately am not going to be able to stick around to see all of that. So for now, let's just really wait and see, and then wait for the Cannonball, I guess. And with the horn blowing and the crossing gate sounding, that is train 78 incoming. There's the crossing. don't exactly know how well this is going to turn out, but over there at the crossing, there's a train coming. Alright, we are here at the, excuse the sun, 5th Avenue crossing on the west side of the station. And right now we're waiting on the Cannonball. The Cannonball is moving a little sluggish, although it is blazing a path to the... It's blazing. Last current sit rep is the Cannonball is passing Amityville, roughly. It should be passing Copeg, Lindenhurst, and Babylon sometime soon. In the meantime, I'm hoping this Cannonball gets here before the 508 train to Jamaica, because otherwise I am not going to be able to make it back to Jamaica within a reasonable time. Anyway, that's all for this update. I'm going to update you when the train is in sight. Take care. Yeah, it is around 5:04 p.m. and down over there is train number 16. Star of the show. Thank you to the fire crew for that one.